A machine has 12 identical components which function independently. The probability that a component fails is 0.2 or 20%. The machine will stop working if more than 3 components fail. Find the probability that the machine will be working. Now you got to realize that this is a binomial distribution. The trials are fixed at 12. A trial will be looking at a component and seeing if it fails or not. They're independent. It's either a success or failure. Success in this case would be that the component fails. So the success probability is 0.2, and that's the same for each component. So it's binomial. What we can do is we can think of a table, the probability table, where X is the number of components that fail out of the 12. It's going to go all the way up to 12. 0 being that none of the components fail, and 12 being all 12 of them fail. Now it says that what's the probability that the machine will be working, and it's working, it stops working if more than 3 components fail. So we have a cutoff line here between 3 and 4. More than 3, the machine stops working. We want the probability that the machine is working, so we want these 4 probabilities added together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can do that with the calculator. The calculator will add all these up using the binomcdf function in the calculator. CDF stands for cumulative density function. You go to second vars where it has DISTR above the vars, and then you scroll down to where it says binomcdf. And then you tell it 3 things. Binomcdf. You tell it the number of trials, which in this case is the number of components, 12. The probability of success for each trial, which in this case is the probability that it fails, 0.2. And you want to tell it the X value that you want to start at, and then it adds everything below it. So it'll take the 3 case, add to it the 2 case, the 1 case, and the 0 case. This will add up those 4 probabilities all for us. I'm going to put 12 in, 0.2, and 3. And I get 0.7946. So that's roughly about 80%. So the probability that the machine will be working is 80%. There you go.